The LyxPro Electric Guitar Kit offers a comprehensive package that is ideal for both beginners and intermediate players looking to start their musical journey. This full-sized guitar is crafted with high-quality materials, including a premium rosewood fingerboard and a Canadian maple neck, ensuring a durable and comfortable playing experience. Included in the kit is a powerful 20-watt amplifier with a built-in speaker, headphone jack, and aux input, allowing you to play along with your favorite tunes. A digital tuner and various essential accessories such as steel strings, picks, and a shoulder strap are part of the package, making it easy to keep your guitar in top playing condition. This all-in-one set is perfect for anyone wanting to learn the guitar, making it an excellent gift choice for aspiring musicians of all ages. Whether you are practicing at home, attending lessons, or performing at school, the LyxPro Electric Guitar Kit provides everything you need for a seamless learning experience.